I rewrote this story, The Rose, for my story listening session. I rewrote this story for my students for a different reason than when I rewrote the story King Midas. The original text of The Rose was written in 153 words in total, and 96.8% of them were in high-frequency words. There were only 3 off-list words, so the words were not difficult. However, the text seemed complex. The first sentence of the story was, "There was once a poor woman who had 2 children. The next sentence was short. The youngest had to go every day into the forest to fetch wood. But then it continued like this. Once, when she had gone a long way to seek it, a little child who was quite strong came and helped her industriously to pick up the wood and carry it home, and then before a moment had passed, that strange child disappeared. It was long and it was dense. I wanted to make the whole story simple and more comprehensible. So I rewrote the story close to how I told the story. To make the story compelling, I added things that were not in the original text. I set the girl's age to 5 years old to give the story a sad atmosphere. Then I tried to enrich the story by adding dimension to a story to enhance its realism, emotional impact, and overall depth, making it more engaging and compelling for the audience. I added conversations between the mother and the girl, and also between the girl and the boy. Finally, to make it easier for the listeners to understand what happened to the girl at the end of the story, I added that when the girl died, the boy came and took her to heaven. In the text, the boy was supposed to come when the rosebud was in full bloom. The text says that the mother saw the rose was in full bloom, so the readers should understand that the boy has arrived. But in my rewritten version, I clarified by adding that the boy had arrived and taken the girl to heaven. I showed both texts to one adult student and asked her which one she liked better. Her reaction was that she favored the rewritten version for its clarity, and she also said that she could resonate more emotionally with the rewritten version.